These industrial gas cylinders are specifically built to safely store compressed gases under extremely high pressure.
Every cylinder must be manufactured from extremely strong steel, capable of holding high-pressure gas. The valve allows controlled release of the gas stored inside the cylinder.
Gas cylinders begin as thick, seamless steel tubes made from high-strength alloy steel. The production process begins by moving the steel tubes toward the first processing machine.
The raw steel tubes must first be transferred to the cutting machines.
Here in the cutting section, each seamless steel tube must be cut into precise cylinder lengths.
Precise cutting ensures each cylinder body has the correct length.
The long steel tube is now divided into shorter sections that will form the body of individual gas cylinders. These freshly cut steel sections will now be transformed into the body of high-pressure gas cylinders. Before forming the cylinder shape, the steel tube sections must be heated to a high temperature to make the metal easier to shape.
Once heated, the steel becomes softer and can be reshaped into the rounded base of the gas cylinder. The curved bottom dome strengthens the cylinder and allows it to withstand extreme internal pressure.
After forming the bottom dome, the cylinder body will move to the next stage, where the neck of the gas cylinder will be created.
The next stage of manufacturing forms the narrow neck at the open end of the cylinder, where the gas valve will later be installed.
Heated steel allows the forming press to reshape the cylinder opening into the strong threaded neck required for installing the gas control valve.
The reinforced neck structure allows the cylinder to safely hold a threaded valve connection, capable of sealing extremely high-pressure gas.
The next stage of production will machine precise threads inside the cylinder neck, so the gas valve can be securely installed.
The reinforced neck of each cylinder must now be precisely machined so a gas control valve can be securely installed.
Accurate threads are essential to create a leak-proof connection between the cylinder and the gas valve. The next stage of manufacturing will heat treat the cylinders to strengthen the steel so they can safely withstand extremely high internal gas pressure. The heat treatment process strengthens the steel, allowing the cylinders to safely contain extremely high pressure gas. Once the steel cylinders reach the correct temperature, they are transferred immediately to the quenching process.
Rapid cooling changes the internal structure of the steel, making the cylinder significantly stronger. After heat treatment, the strengthened cylinders will undergo surface cleaning and preparation before painting and final assembly.
The outer surface of these cylinders must be thoroughly cleaned before protective coatings and paint can be applied. Shot blasting prepares the steel surface for the protective coatings that will later prevent corrosion.
Both the inside and outside of the cylinder must be completely free of metal particles before the finishing process begins. After the steel surface has been cleaned, the cylinders are ready for protective coating and painting, which will protect.
After the steel surface has been cleaned, the cylinders are ready for protective coating and painting, which will protect the metal.
This protective coating layer shields the steel from moisture chemicals and environmental corrosion during long-term use.
Controlled heating permanently bonds the protective coating to the cylinder surface.
After the protective coating process, the cylinders proceed to the final stages of production, where valves are installed and
The next step in manufacturing is installing the precision gas valve that will control the flow of compressed gas inside the cylinder.
Precise torque control ensures the valve connection is secure and leak-free. The leak test ensures the valve installation and cylinder body are completely sealed before the cylinder is approved for use. After the leak test is completed, the pressurized air is safely released through the testing equipment, and the cylinder is removed from the test.
After passing safety testing and inspection, the completed cylinders are prepared for storage, transportation, and industrial gas filling operations. Each gas cylinder must undergo a hydrostatic pressure test to confirm the steel body can safely contain extremely high internal pressure.
Hydrostatic testing system slowly releases the internal water pressure from the cylinder through the connected valve hose while the cylinder remains secured on the support cradle. Cylinders which successfully pass the hydrostatic pressure test are approved for final inspection and certification.
After passing the hydrostatic pressure test and final inspection, the cylinders are ready for certification, marking, and shipment for industrial gas use.
Every gas cylinder must receive permanent certification markings that identify the manufacturer, pressure rating, and safety approval. These permanent markings allow every cylinder to be traced back to its manufacturing record and safety certification.
These markings ensure every cylinder can be tracked throughout its entire service life. Once certification markings and safety labels have been applied and the cylinders are ready for final packaging, storage, and shipment to industrial gas filling plants. Once manufacturing and safety certification are complete, the cylinders must be organized and prepared for storage and shipment. Once loaded onto transport trucks, the finished gas cylinders are delivered to industrial gas suppliers, hospitals, factories, and construction sites.